Coach, okay ba yung crunches as abs workout?
Crunches. Okay naman yung crunches as abs workout. Pero kung mabibigyan ko kayo ng mga exercises na better for core, ito yung mga yon, okay? So first is planking. So instead of crunches, mag-planking kayo araw-araw, kahit 13 seconds to 1 minute. Or you can do bicycle crunches like this. You can do 15 counts. Or you can also do reverse planks. Or you can do, last one, Russian twist. Okay, so yun yung mga exercises na natatarget talaga yung whole core natin. Kasi yung crunches, ay natatarget niya lang upper abs. Okay yon, pero dapat sama-sama yung mga exercises, yung mga abs exercises na gagawin natin. So, kung crunches lang yung gagawin nyo, kukulangin yon. So, dapat kasama siya ng planking, Russian twist, and etc. So, yun lang. I hope nakatulong tong video na to. Bye-bye.